here in beautiful Port Moody to award Ryan from Burnaby $15,000.
He guessed the latest ZFX. He knew that the sound was putting the lid on a board game box. This is the sound you're trying to identify. For $15,000, Ryan.
Is that pushing a lid down on a board game? You know when you push the lid close on a board game and it makes that farting sound?
You just won $15,000.
Are you kidding?
So how much of this money do you guys get?
It's all for them, really.
Oh, no, we get shoes.
Inadvertently, it'll all go
Shoes
towards
too?
them.
Shoes and ice cream.
Holiday. Holidays,
So tell us the story about how you found out about the sound.
It
How you
actually
figured
was
it
my wife. She heard it in the car the one day, and as soon as she heard it, she knew. She was like, "That's closing a board game."
Yeah.
Well, I know when I said closing a cardboard box, and then you're like, maybe more specific. I'm like, okay, and then I'm like,
And then
I'm
you
looking at
nailed
my
it.
wife, and she's like, I'm like, okay.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah, it was awesome. So
Great.
thank you so much.
Yes.
You're very welcome.